Hi, FabricCare Manager's change order function is used to revise invoices for price modification, adding items, splitting orders, reprints, and more. Enter your ID to access the system and select Change Order from the clerk menu. You can then either scan the invoice barcode or type in the invoice number as we did here. The invoice is displayed and there are several options at the bottom of the screen. For this demonstration, we'll use the Split option. Pressing Split opens a split screen with the original invoice on the left and a new blank invoice on the right. Select an item to be split to the new invoice and press the Split button. The item moves from the original invoice to the new one. Press Done and the calendar appears in case the new invoice needs a new ready date. Press Save to create and print the new invoice. The old invoice indicates a split by displaying the number of the new invoice. The Redo option also brings up two invoices, the original on the left and a new one on the right. Highlight an item and press Redo. Then press Done, and then Save at the calendar screen to keep the original invoice, minus the pieces to be redone, and the new invoice with a price of 0 for the items to be reprocessed. The Edit option of change order allows for several other changes to the invoice. Pressing the Edit button reveals a list of common reasons and a box to input any reason not listed. In this case, we'll use change price as the reason. Click OK to move to the Edit Invoice screen. As an example, we can remove the black and white striped dress from this invoice by selecting it and pressing Delete. Let's say we then need to add a couple of other items in place of the dress we just deleted. Let's add 2 skirts. This is all explained in more detail in the invoicing guided tour video. Press OK for the total of 2 skirts. Then Save at the bottom right of the next screen. And finally, press Save again at the calendar screen to complete the process and bring you back to the change order screen. Press Reprint at the bottom of the screen, then Print Invoice at the top of the next one, and Exit at the bottom. The Void option can be used to remove invoices that may have been created twice. Similar to Edit, there's a preset list of reasons to void an invoice, but other reasons can also be entered. Select the reason Item on another invoice already, in this case, and press OK. A window will open to confirm or cancel. Press Yes to void the invoice, and then Cancel to exit the change order screen and return to the clerk menu. And that's it for the change order function.